Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Roblox account meets voice chat eligibility and your email or phone is verified. Once done, update the Roblox app and your Windows sound drivers to avoid compatibility issues. Next, open Windows sound settings, set your preferred mic as the default device, and test levels around 50 to 75% so you have clean input without clipping. These steps remove common blockers and put you in the right state to enable voice chat inside Roblox. Next, enable voice inside Roblox itself. You go to Settings, then Privacy, and toggle Voice Chat on when the option appears. This registers your eligibility server-side. Once in a game, find the microphone icon, click it, and grant any permission dialogues the app or browser shows so audio can pass. After permission, choose your preferred mode, push to talk for control or open mic for continuous chat, and set a convenient hotkey or sensitivity level. This sequence activates voice and aligns input behavior with your playstyle. To finish, confirm things actually work by relaunching Roblox and joining a voice-enabled server or experience, then speak to verify others hear you. If it still fails, restart your PC, reopen Roblox, and retest the microphone and Windows sound settings to rule out system-level issues. Make sure antivirus or privacy apps are not blocking microphone access for Roblox, EXE, or your browser. If needed, record a short clip with Windows Voice Recorder or test in Discord to determine whether the problem is hardware or Roblox specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.